So I want to make a very quick video just to show you what I did to fix a problem that's common in these Cobalts. So my dash lights and everything was blinking, and my tail lights had actually gone out. And after some troubleshooting and looking through the schematic, I found where the problem was, and yours may be very well the same thing. It's actually a very poor design by Chev, which not surprising. So underneath the driver's seat is where we are sitting right now, and unfortunately it's night and I don't have much light, but underneath the driver's seat there is a wiring harness underneath the carpet. Underneath the carpet it runs along the floorboard, which is not too bad, but what happened was that there is a 5, I believe, purple wires, which is the wires leading back to the tail lights, and those are all spliced together, and they're only connected together and they're wrapped in some tape. So as the water seeped in through the tape, it's created a short to ground between those wires, the water, and the car itself. And what happened was that started fuzzing up and bubbling and caused the wire to finally break down, and the wire just fell apart in my hand once I found the issue. So all I did was I took the seat off, which there's a bolt right there and another one on the other side, and the seat just lifts up and just unhooks from the front. Very easy to lift it up and just push it forward out of the way. And then I just, well, I was lazy, so I just ripped the carpet because this is an old junker car and I don't really care, and it's my own car. So I just ripped the carpet, and then I spliced together the wires, and everything is working perfectly. So I just wanted to say very quickly what it was, because I've read a lot of online forums and stuff, and people were having lots of trouble trying to figure out where this is. So if you're having a problem with your Cobalt, with your headlights flickering and your tail lights going out, or maybe cutting in and out, check this wiring harness underneath the driver's side seat, underneath the carpet, and look for the purple wires that are spliced together. Chances are that's where the problem is. Have a good day. See ya.